Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to limit the number of items that display per page in WordPress. It's simple, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to adjust it anytime. First, open your browser and head over to WordPress. At the top right corner, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click that. If you're given choices, you can log in with your Google account for convenience. Just pick your account and continue. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Post on your dashboard. This is where all of your content is managed and where we'll be making the change. Now, look up at the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a tab that says Screen Options. Click on it, and a panel will slide down with extra settings. Inside this panel, you'll find a field labeled Number of Items per Page. Just type in the number you want, maybe 10 or 15 if you want fewer items shown at once. Once you've entered your new number, make sure to hit apply. That's what actually saves the change. Your post list will refresh right away and you'll see fewer items per page. A quick tip here, if you manage a lot of content, lowering the number of items per page can make the dashboard load faster and easier to scroll through. And that's it. You've just learned how to limit the number of items per page in WordPress. Super quick, super useful for keeping things tidy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips.